Welcome back to my channel, Nurse Sonia. And for today, I'll be tackling about how to be a monetized channel within 3 months or less. And there's a bonus tip on how to earn money in YouTube even though you are not yet monetized, or if you didn't yet reach the requirements of the YouTube to be monetized. How to be a monetized channel. In the YouTube, they have guidelines and they have some requirements to reach before being monetized. What are the requirements? Firstly, is you should have at least 1,000 subscribers. And the second one is you should have at least 4,000 watch hours. Watch hours means how long did the viewers view your videos, and if to sum up, it should be 4,000 or more for you to be able to be a monetized channel. So many of you are asking, what did I do for me to be monetized? I made an account in YouTube and then I consolidate my idea what should be my content. So it depends. It can be entertainment, it can be educational, it can be about traveling. So it depends upon your preference and where is your strength. In choosing a content, it should be one of your passion or one of your strength or one of your forte. If you are fond of traveling, you can feature some tourist spots or you can have a travel vlog. And also, if you are fond of teaching different kinds of languages, it could be a language channel or language vlog. But for me, because I want to help others, especially those who are aspiring UKRN, I chose to have a content which is educational and informative video. As far as I know, it is an informative video that is tackling about how to be a UK nurse and what are the step-by-step process. So that's my content. But of course, it depends upon your forte, your strength, and your passion. What's your content? And for you to be able to have an organic viewer, your content should be for your viewers, or for them to be encouraged to view your videos. So that's the key. You should have a content. But of course, you can also have some other content aside from that for you to have some icebreaker. Ayan. Like, for example, about traveling, about unboxing, what else? So it depends. And of course, another one is you should have patience. Yes, patience is a virtue. Yes, it's correct. You should have patience, especially if you are just starting. 4,000 watch hours is a very long hour. So you should have patience, especially on creating your content, on entertaining your viewers, and you should have some ideas on how to catch their attention. And yeah, patience, because sometimes you will encounter some questions that already on your vlog. So you'll think about it. They should watch this video rather than asking for me. So, patience in terms of editing your video, you should have patience. Patience, patience, patience. Okay? And third one is focus on your thumbnails or channel art. It should be catchy, especially your title. It should be catchy. And also the thumbnails, make sure that it is informative. If you are watching a video the first one that you will notice is the thumbnail. And if you will see that the thumbnail looks very informative, it looks very professional, you can encourage them to watch your videos. Ayan, so we have 3. First one is you should have a content. Second one, you should have patience. Third one is focus on your channel art. Of course, kasi ito yung unang makikita ng mga manunood para panoorin nila yung video mo. Kung magiging catchy siya, that's good. Mas madami manonood nito. And of course, yung title din. Kasi minsan, nakasama na dun sa thumbnail yung title. So, isama niyo po yun. And the plus tip that I have mentioned a while ago is how to earn money if you are not yet a monetized channel. Yes, I earned money even though I am not yet monetized. I earned money even though I didn't reach yet the 4,000 watch hours. It is because some of my informative videos is about review on a language exam. So with that, I was able to endorse one of my review center, and because I am endorsing them, they are paying me back. And it's not for the review center only. If your channel is about food, maybe you can endorse some ingredient, some condiments, or some food, or maybe appliances that you are using when you are cooking. Maybe they can give you some endorsement payment for that. O di ba para kayong artista, it's like you are an actress or actor or an artist because you are endorsing something. So why not try to endorse or try to find someone who will sponsor your video, especially if this is an informative video, and if they are willing to pay for the endorsement video. But make sure that your video will not just about the endorsement itself. You have to make sure that it is informative also, because some of your viewers are not after with the thing that you are endorsing, but they are after the information you are giving. So I hope this video will be beneficial for all of you, especially for those small YouTuber like me. I just started 3 months ago. Due to this lockdown, I was able to make a channel and some informative videos. So there's always a rainbow after the rain. Even though some of you are having some challenges due to this pandemic, make sure that after this pandemic, you have a good version of yourself. You do something better. You make your time more fruitful, and you have to maximize your time even though you're just at home. And this is a good time for you to have a better version of yourself because you have more time than before, right? So hopefully this video will be beneficial for all of you guys. I hope you can share this video, you can like, and also if you are not yet friends with me, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And always keep safe, always wear mask, practice social distancing, and always wash your hands. God bless everyone and have a